Hello, so yeah, a lot of persons are asking me how did I do it? Basically, how I am able to connect the login of Run Online and like the old launcher or whatever, or their application, whatever they want. So that's pretty easy. This tutorial will be showing you how to do it using C Sharp, TypeScript, and so on. And I'm going to be like focusing on TypeScript as server for our DLL that we're going to be making because it's going to be connecting to the database of Run Online and so on. About the launcher, well, it really depends on what language they want. As long as it has a capability of like fetching data from an API or something. Um, but yeah, this tutorial is meant to be for some of the programmers that has an online source code and as well some basic knowledge in developing softwares and websites or APIs. That's it. Um, so this is the introduction of Front Online, login and launcher, and I'm going to show you the outcome that we're looking for. All right. Let's go here in my dev client, and this is one of the outcomes that you should be able to get. On this tutorial, we're going to be working only with the game launcher with login, and basically some basic patching and well basically saving your data into the DLL and passing it um through the API, verifying the username and password of your user and basically trying to log it in or basically yeah, you can see there's down, the server's not down. I'm going to be opening it. Hold on. This the API that we have for the launcher. So this one is I'm going to teach you this as well. This is coded on TypeScript, and well, basically that's pretty it. You can also add login, I mean register on your on your launcher, so on. Um, so let's run this yarn start, and it should be running in a few seconds. So basically what this do is this is the one that we're communicating off with a system or a C# launcher that we have made or going to be making in this tutorial. Um, so let's wait for it. I think I prefer Bash to run this. So let me just switch that up into a Bash. And now we're going to be doing this. Yarn start and it will run, and let's wait for it to run. It will load the modules and so on. Now we can go login, incorrect password because it's connected to the database, and I inputted some wrong parameters or some wrong username and password. So as you can see, my run online is now launching, and now it's going to be loading with the data that we inputted on the launcher. So that's one of the thing that I'm going to show you or showcase you in this tutorial. And you're going to be learning that as well. So as you can see here, I can freely log in if I go to Strive, and well, basically that's it. So that's the showcase, and this is the outcome that you can attain once you followed through this tutorial. This tutorial is you're going to be requiring some basic knowledge in TypeScript, some basic knowledge in C Sharp or whatever language that you want in your launcher, and as well in C++ because we're going to be working with the run online source code as well. I prefer if you can do this on Juver source, GS Source, or even in Jolin. And mainly I'm using Jolin because it's the most latest one. Gerger, I'm using the one that Gerger shared because like it's using C++ 14, I guess, 14 or is it 15 or 17, I don't know, but I'll be checking that. We'll be checking that later. So that's all for the first part and the introduction of the tutorial.